Hello there, friend. Alfie here, your slightly over-organized alpaca professor of finance. Welcome to the very first lesson inside the Cashmere library, where we make money feel, well, calmer than your morning cup of tea. Now, tell me something. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, I swear I just got paid? Where did everything go? If that sounds familiar, breathe. You're not alone, not even close. Today, we're going to build something together. Not a house, not a business, but a foundation. A mental foundation that will make you say, oh, that's how money actually grows. Ready? Let's begin. There's a moment in everyone's financial journey when everything quietly begins to change. One day, you're checking your balance, wondering why progress feels so slow. And then suddenly, you begin to notice something different. Your money is working a little harder. Your choices matter a little more. And the path ahead starts to feel clear. Most people think wealth is about luck or income. But real wealth, calm, steady wealth, comes from understanding how money grows over time. Not in a straight line, but like a snowball rolling down a hill. Slow at first, very slow. And then, everything accelerates. Today, we begin your foundation. The part of the journey that most people skip. The part that changes everything. So, take a breath. Find your calm. And let's build something meaningful. One simple idea at a time. Before money grows, understanding has to grow. There are 3 levels most people go through. 1. Survival mode. You work, you spend. You hope nothing bad happens. This is the hamster wheel most people live on. 2. Awareness mode. You start noticing where your money actually goes. The leaks, the habits, the impulses. This is where power begins. 3. Snowball mode. Your money finally begins to grow faster than you do. Investments make money. Returns make more returns. Your future becomes lighter. Our goal in Cashmere Finance? Get you from level 1 to level 2, and then into level 3 as smoothly and calmly as possible. Here's something uncomfortable but important. You cannot grow what you cannot see. That's why the first rule of the Cashmere Foundation is, know exactly where your dollars walk off to. Not roughly. Not more or less. I mean truly see it. Because money has a funny personality. If you don't give it direction, it gets lost. And trust me, I may be an alpaca, but even I can follow directions better than most people's money.
Alfie, can I ask something? Why does it feel like some people work so hard their whole lives and still never actually get ahead?
Ah, a perfect question, Penny. And the answer is the secret of today's lesson. People stay stuck because they follow a very old, very broken recipe. Work, pay bills, spend, and then try to save whatever crumbs are left. Spoiler, there are never any crumbs. Wealthy people reverse the recipe. Work. Pay yourself first. Then bills. Then everything else. Your savings and your investments are not optional. They come first. It doesn't matter if you earn $40,000 or $140,000. What matters is the order. If you eat your cake before you put a slice aside, well, there's no cake left. Trust me, I've tried. This part isn't exciting. Nobody claps for an emergency fund, but it will save your life someday. 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses in a boring government-insured savings account. Not invested. Not locked away. just resting. Like a calm alpaca on a sunny afternoon. When you have an emergency fund, you stop living in fear. You start making decisions with clarity instead of panic. This is where the magic happens. If you invest consistently, the first years feel slow. Then suddenly, your money starts growing faster than you can contribute. That's compound interest, the quiet hero of financial freedom. The earlier you start, the less you need to contribute. If you invest $300 a month starting at age 25, you can reach $1 million by retirement. Start at 35. You end up with less than half of that. Time is not just money. Time is the multiplier. This is the final step of the Cashmere Foundation. Automation. Automation protects you from yourself, from stress, from distraction, from bad days, from emotional spending. Your system should work even when you don't feel like working. Your paycheck arrives. One day passes. Transfers happen automatically. To savings, to retirement, to investments, to your goals. No thinking, no guilt, no decision fatigue. Just calm progress. And that, my friend, is the Cashmere Foundation, the simple system that will guide every future episode.
So, if someone follows all of this, their money finally starts behaving?
Oh yes, Penny. With a good foundation, money becomes calm, predictable, and surprisingly generous.
So, in the next episodes, we show the rest of the system?
Exactly, Penny. Today you learned the foundation, the calm structure that holds everything together. But the next episodes, that's where we dive deeper. We'll show you how to actually apply this, how to spot the traps, how to grow your money with less stress, and how to make every dollar behave. So, if you're ready, come back for episode 2. We're just getting started, and your calm, wealthy future is closer than you think.
See you guys on the next lesson.